Hello, students. This is Lesson 2, Traveling by Airplane. We have a few simple vocabulary words and pronunciation. Say these after me, but say them correctly, just as I say them. Airplane, airport, takeoff, took off, will take off, taking off, has taken off, fly, flew, flies, have flown, flight, which is a noun, land, landed, will land, landing, have landed. Okay. Important sounds that you have to make to speak clearly. Airport, the T sound. Take, the K sound. Took, all of the K sounds. Fly, flew, flies. You need to make the S sound. Otherwise, it sounds like you say fly again. Fly, flew, flies, have flown, have flown. Flight, you need to make the T sound, or it sounds like you say fly again. So fly, flies, flight. And the D sound, land, landed, will land, landing, have landed. You make the clear D sound. An airplane takes off and lands from an airport. It flies from one place to another. We do not say, have a nice fly. We say, have a nice flight. Let's look at the next slide. Using present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is something that happened in the past and affects us now in the present. So here are some examples. You can see present perfect, present tense, past tense, future tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. The plane takes off at 10 o'clock. The plane took off at 10 o'clock. The plane will take off at 10 o'clock. The plane is taking off now. The plane has taken off. We could say the plane has taken off already, something that is finished but still affects us now. Look at these using the various forms of fly. I like to fly on airplanes. Or we can say, my brother flies on an airplane often. That's present tense. I flew on an airplane last week. I will fly on an airplane next week. I am flying on an airplane now. I have flown on an airplane many times. Now let's look at the conversation. Hi, V. Where are you going? I'm going to the airport. I'm flying to Bangkok this afternoon. Oh, really? How long is your flight to Bangkok? The flight is about an hour and a half. 1.5 hours. What time do you take off from Phnom Penh? The airplane takes off at 1:30. What time does it land in Bangkok? It lands at 3 o'clock. Are you traveling by yourself? No, I'm going with my boss. We have to meet with some clients in Bangkok. How long will you be gone? We'll be gone for 5 days. Listen to this video again. Practice the pronunciation of the vocabulary words, especially the consonants. All right? Practice everything on this. Listen to me. Practice several times, not just one time or 2 times. Record your voice and listen to yourself speaking. Do you speak like me? Send me your voice and I will make corrections for you.